Hi there, Tasha here from RedPandas Digital. In this short video, I'm going to give you a quick demo on the HubSpot Service Hub. The HubSpot Service Hub is one of the 4 major HubSpot products, or what HubSpot refers to as hubs. The others include Marketing Hub, Sales Hub, and CMS Hub. Service Hub, in short, is a really easy to use customer service software package. With Service Hub, you can create support tickets, use feedback and survey tools, project manage customer queries, build a knowledge base, and manage all of your customer conversations within a single customer view. It's also important to note that with the HubSpot Service Hub, you also get access to the free HubSpot sales, marketing, and CRM features. This includes things like live chat, conversations inbox, 15 minutes free of calling, canned snippets, email templates, and meeting scheduling. Let's drill down into each of the key features. Firstly, conversations. Conversations allows you to manage one-to-one customers' communication at a scale through a universal collaborative inbox. The inbox aggregates customer emails, live chat from your website, and even Facebook chat in one centralized place. Here, you can create a ticket, create a task, or assign a conversation to a team member. This is a fantastic feature for service teams to help ensure queries never fall through the cracks again. If you wanted to see all of the tickets at a glance, you can see the ticket stages, which looks very similar to deal stages in HubSpot Sales if you're familiar with that side of HubSpot. Here, you can set up multiple pipelines and set up different stages to make this your own process. From here, you can jump into individual tickets and see all of the correspondence for a particular ticket. It's great to action issues and queries, but often you find the team is answering and responding to the same type of question again and again. And that's where a knowledge base is powerful. HubSpot makes it very easy to set up categories, subcategories, and it's very intuitive and easy to use user interface. The search functionality is fantastic, and it automatically searches all knowledge base articles and presents the most relevant results for the user. Like with everything in HubSpot, you get great insights and reporting with knowledge base as well to see what's being looked at the most. Now, the really cool thing with the Service Hub is the knowledge can be linked to a HubSpot bot, so the bot can serve up an article from the knowledge base, and if the query still isn't answered, can automatically create a service ticket. Let's finish up with the Service Hub's feedback tool. Here, you can create customer support satisfaction and customer loyalty surveys. Like all HubSpot's creation tools, everything is WYSIWYG. What you see is what you get. Here is an example of a customer loyalty NPS survey you can set up, edit, and connect to an automated workflow. The survey tool reporting out of the box is great, and the visualization makes it easy to garner insights from your customers. Here's a global report for customer loyalty, how many people clicked on it, and the NPS over time. On the note of reporting, I want to end on the customer service dashboard, which is fantastic for both service team members and management, to see at a glance the status of the tickets, response time, knowledge base article views, and pretty much all of the reports that you would want from a customer service perspective. If you have any questions on what I've discussed about today, check out the resources on this page or head over to redpandasdigital.com.au.